Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing charming Bay St. Louis Home 1 Me to Beach. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Bay St. Louis, 13 miles from Diamondhead Country Club, 15 miles from Westside Park and Splash Pad and 17 miles from Port of Gulfport, charming Bay St. Louis Home 1 Me to Beach has accommodations with a patio and free Wi-Fi. This vacation home is 24 miles from Beauvoir and 24 miles from Broadwater Marina. The vacation home is equipped with 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV with cable channels and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are available. Bert Jones Yacht Harbor is 17 miles from the vacation home, while Gulf Islands Waterpark is 22 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Stennis International Airport, 14 miles from charming Bay St. Louis Home 1 Me to Beach. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.